A very popular question I get asked is, can I make the flax oil and cottage cheese mixture ahead of time and maybe take it to work or on a trip? Well, the answer is no. And the reason is, when you mix the flax oil and cottage cheese together, you've only got about a 20-minute window to eat that. Otherwise, the flaxseed oil and cottage cheese starts to separate and come apart, because really flaxseed oil and cottage cheese don't normally mix very well together. So you must eat it within about 20 minutes. So please do not make it ahead of time and bring it with you. That won't work. Even if you try to remix it again, that's not recommended, because the flaxseed oil could start to go rancid. So you must make it and enjoy it within a 20-minute period of time.